Hi, folks. It's Rich Moyer. I want to just kind of go through the newsletter from yesterday. Something brand new, something that I haven't done piecework here for a long time, but just want to let you know that I found some great tools here, and with the help of Worldprofit, naturally with George has a Friday workshop for the members of Worldprofit, the paid members, and he brought up a couple things about graphics generators and also some AI tools for doing videos. And I just thought maybe I'd try to capitalize on this a little bit. I've put an investment into these things, and maybe I'd like to get some return on that. I can create custom graphics for you like this one. And by the way, I'm putting watermarks on my graphics now because I want to put them up for sale. This one, if you want it, it's $2. I'll remove the watermark and give you full rates for it. But $2 for an AI generated graphic. I've done a couple of them here. What I would do is you give me a topic of what you want to produce, and I'll put the prompt together. I'll generate three different graphics using the same prompt, see if it'll come up with some differences, and present the three of them to you. Select one, that's for $2, or you want all five, you want all three, it's $5. It's I have to put work into this. I've made some investment in tools, and this is something fun I like to do, but I also want to get some return on my investment here. Keep above water. And here's the screen. The links are going to take you here. This is just a page that has information on it. It tells you that you can purchase these tools yourself. For instance, the video generator, the AI video generator, is an excellent tool, and it creates these wonderful videos. I put a front end on it just to give me uniformity for my YouTube channel, but the videos it produces are really tremendous. So I'll let you look at them. Go check that out on the newsletter. And I have a payment page here. I have payment buttons here. So a 1 minute video, and it's not exactly 1 minute. It's whatever the AI tool generates. Based on the prompt level you have here. So, but it's going to be $5 for a video, and I'll work with you to make sure the content is what you need. Maybe tune it a little bit and tweak it and see if we can get something that's really acceptable for you. Again, with the graphics that I'm generating here, this is the polar bear. I like bears. I like pandas. I like different things like that that I like to generate for. And again, this is a way to just pay for some of the tools I've invested in here. So $2 for one, or I'll create a panel of three. And if you want all three, it's $5 for the three of them, or you can select one of the three. But that's it's a real easy thing to do. When you do that, you have to send me an email to this address. With you, the email address that you give me here is where I'm going to return it to. I'll put it on a sharing site or give you the file. Tell me how you want it. Tell me the prompt that you want. If you want to generate the prompt yourself, or if you want me to do it for you, I just tell me what you're looking for, and I'll see if we can come up with something that you can work with here. So it's just more than just you give me a task and I go do it. I'm going to work with you to make sure you got what you need. So that's some of my time that I could spend with other creative efforts. So it's worth my time for a few bucks for these things. But I'm not in the business to do that. Now, I do want to go through some of the other things I have with the newsletter here. I talk a little bit about the graphics and how to generate them. The in-video AI. This is one I'm paying a monthly fee for, so I really do want to start to get a payback for that. Ian Stewart had a letter regarding the Build-A-Biz Online team build. And this is a great way to get not only a great set of tools for yourself, you upgrade to the Pro Executive, but you're in this co-op. It's a co-op or a team build, and they will get you two paying executive pros or pro executive. I'm sorry, pro executive members here, and they'll continue. You continue in that co-op for as long as you need to get those two pro executive referrals. Now, the neat thing about this is it doesn't cost you anything to get into the team build. You just upgrade to your pro executive level, which is $14 a month, which is really dirt cheap for a full featured autoresponder and the tool sets that are constantly being updated and improved upon by Martin Chandler. But this will work until you get 2 pro executives, and then you continue to continue to promote the team build page. And so the requirements are pretty simple. You have to be a pro executive member, and if you do have 2 or more under you, you shouldn't apply. It's not going to work for you. You can promote the the team responder tracking link if you want, but if you are in the team build and want to get a return here, you 500 hits a week. That's not hard to do. You can get 500 hits. With a few solo ads, it's not that hard. So you can get out there and get some traffic. Head into this team build link, and it's simple. You just join and upgrade to that level. If you're not a member, you can join and upgrade here with my link, and then when you go to the team build, you just ask to get in the team build. You don't have any pro executive members under you. You promote this, you join the team build at this link here, and you're on your way. And then you just promote the team build link to get the 500 views a week. So that's pretty easy. One last thing I want to just bring up is Dave Mosher is continuing to do these conversions here. So he has another 10 that he's converted to PHP 8.1. And when he's doing this, he's selecting them, and he's allowing people to get these unbelievably reasonable upgrades. Now, why do you want an Elite? Well, Elite has a lot of benefits with it. First off, you get monthly ads. Secondly, you get 50% commission with referrals. These are great sites to promote. They're growth sites. And by Dave promoting them like this, you're continuing to see growth on these sites. You're continuing to see upgrades. When he's offering upgrades like this, you have buyers, and that's the one thing you want to be aware of is you have buyers that are actually buying the things that are on the site in addition to paying for upgrades. So there's a lot of benefits here. First off, when you join any one of these sites, you have there's 5 sites you can join. I have them listed on the page, but you have 5 sites that you can join on this offer. When you upgrade, you can upgrade on one for $20, or you can upgrade for all 5 for $97, which is a tremendous deal. You're not only going to get the upgrade, but you're going to get 2 on the premium deal here for $97. You're going to get 250 Supersolos. That's unbelievable. And that's going to hold you for the rest of the year. So an investment of $97, you're not only going to get 5 Elite upgrades that you can promote and get referrals on to generate income for you, but you also get 250 Supersolos. Plus, you're going to get 5 or 6 solo ads to Master Safeless Blaster. These go out to everywhere that the Supersolos touch. So it's all 315 sites, 546,000. That number is going up as we speak here, but last count I thought I saw 546,000 members that it goes to. I get over 100 clicks on every single Master Safeless Blaster ad that goes out. My Supersolos, I'm getting tremendous returns on those, and I'll be able to. I could show you some stats here if you'd like to see them. But the number of clicks I'm getting from each one of these Supersolos that I send is tremendous, and it's helping me because it's putting that traffic out there, and I'm not spending all my time I don't click for credits, by the way. I use Supersolos because I don't want to spend that time wasting time clicking for credits. I want to be able to use Supersolos that are going to touch so many people, and it's going to get me so much exposure. I don't have to waste my time clicking credits. I'm there able to do creative things. I'm able to work with people. I'm able to do the consulting side of my business, which is helping people more than anything else. As far as the money goes, I just want to break even. That's my goal here in network marketing right now. In this point in my life is I just want to break even. I want to get break even for the tools that I'm buying and the different things that I'm joining to to be able to pass on to other people. So I'm not here to make a big profit out of this. I'm not Frank Salinas that has to make a profit on every email that goes out. I'm here to help people. Consulting is my business, and marketing is how I get that business. So just to let you know, that's kind of where I come from. I'm here to help you, and I'm going to pass these things along because these are great deals that are going to be not going to kill you as far as your budget goes. You spend $97 and you're going to be set for a long time. And then I give you other things where I have 104 safe lists where I'm going to give you a gold upgrade every week. A new gold upgrade every week. So it's this type of thing that I'm doing for my subscribers that are that want to keep you moving, keep you being able to promote out there, having to spend less time clicking for credits and more time actually promoting and doing creative things. They're going to get your business moving here. This is another one of those examples. I have these examples here for these 5 elite upgrades. They're tremendous. And, again, you can't beat the 250 Super Solos and the 6 Master Safe List Blaster Solos. That's an incredible deal. If you want to just go with one, that's fine too. You can get, for $20, you can get 40 Super Solos and 1 blast from Master Safe List Blaster. So these are tremendous deals. The way I have this set up here is if you are already a member of my Traffic Deals newsletter, you can click the thank you page, bonus page link down there, and that'll take you right to it where you can actually join these sites. If you're not a member of the Traffic Deals newsletter, you're on one of my newsletters. So it doesn't matter if which one you're on. You're going to get this newsletter from me every couple days. I'm not doing it every day anymore. It's every couple days because I have other things going on. But I do want to spend time in my creative efforts here and being able to put this newsletter together. If you're on one of my lists, you're going to get this newsletter. So if you've gotten this, then you know that you're on my list. It's just which one do you want to get on? Traffic Deals. It tells you about a lot of just traffic deals. These are great things that you can use, very either free or inexpensive. And that's the way I'm trying to go here. Is I'm not trying to tap your budget. I want to get the best things to you so that you can use them to promote. You're spending less time clicking and more time doing promotions and creative efforts. And I think that's it for today. I did want to just scroll down here. Every week I tell you about the latest workshop. And these are worthwhile. Spend an hour and go through this thing, the recordings. George has these out on the Worldprofit YouTube channel. And that's youtube.com/@Worldprofit. And he has the latest workshop that from the previous Friday. And he has a history. There's hundreds of them out there. So you can get an education just looking at these interactive workshops. They're interactive from the members. They're static as far as the non-members or associates are concerned, but you can still view them, which is just a gold mine of information out there. Thanks a lot, folks. This is Rich Moyer. Again, if you're checking out my newsletter, these things are things that you can join, and these are things that I personally use myself. Here's the one I talked about: 104 free 1-year gold upgrades. So it's going to be 2 years of emails you're getting from me that are going to give you a new site to join every week. You get free, and any of these, any Dave Mosher sites you join, you get free ads for joining. There's always a code, promo code, new member, which gives you another ad pack. And then I keep telling you, go to join under me with the advertising blowout, and join from the affiliate builder page. Go there and join, and then click it from there, and then switch over to the free promo codes pages and find that site, and then grab that promo code. So you're getting just a ton of credits and ads, including solos, for each site that you join here. And then you're getting a gold upgrade, which gets you a 20% commission on these sites if you do promote them. So again, there's just so many things that I'm trying to do for you here that are making it so much better, and you just need to follow the process here, follow the plan. And then when I tell you about things that I make money on, the things that I make money on every month are the sites in Secrets of the Big Dogs. It's a $7 investment you make in the ebook. That's all $7 in the ebook, and then it's $10 a month for the Alpha Dog. And then from that point, it's what you determine in your own budget you can afford. The whole goal is to get to the highest level you can afford on a couple key, not all of them, but a couple key sites here is where I make money every single month. Upgrade to the highest point you can afford on those sites that I'm making money on, and that's where your traffic is going to come from, and that's where your income is going to come from with Big Dogs. It's a simple formula, but you gotta follow the plan, and it starts with buying that $7 ebook. These other sites here, many of these are just tremendous sites to join. Some of them have deals on them, OTOs or login offers. Check them out. So just don't discount these things. It's just pretty things that I put on the side. These are things that I use. These are things that I use every single month. Referral Frenzy. Can't lose on that one. There's over 100 sites you can promote on, and it automates your process. Traffic Zipper, another way to automate. Ways to, here's Build a Biz Online. You can't go wrong with Build a Biz Online. And you can get your money back here, not only through the co-op, but, it pays for itself every month. I don't have to pay that monthly $14 because it's paid for out of my commissions. So there you go, folks. Thanks a lot. This is Rich Moyer. And again, let me know and follow the links here. If you are interested in having me produce graphics, I want to do this for you to help you get ahead in your business and give you a unique edge. And that's really what it's all about here, is give you a unique edge. You can take this graphic, put it into a capture page, and make it real pretty, and use this to promote something using Build a Biz Online. And they give you done for you campaigns there you can use to build your list. That's the whole point here, is get you moving on building that list and giving you tools and giving you the traffic you need in order to get it done. Thanks again, Rich Moyer. Have a great day.